What is up, guys? Welcome back. In today's video, guys, we're kicking it off with actually getting the Speed 3 detailed. So I haven't had this car ceramic coated yet, which is dumb because I should have had that done so long ago, but I've been slacking. But today, we're already here, by the way. I just stopped at Tim Hortons right now. The detailing place is literally right across the street. So I'm just eating right now since it is like, what time is it? 10:14 in the morning. But yeah, we're gonna go get this car fully washed, cleaned, and then it's gonna be polished, and then then they're gonna go ahead and put the ceramic coating over, which shall protect the paint, or at least keep it preserved for a good amount of time. Really sucks that it's the end of the season, guys. Pretty much there's not even gonna be any more car meets or anything, and then once the snow hits and stuff, it's a long time to wait until summer comes back around. And that's one of the reasons why, like, the people that live in like Cali or like Texas or Florida and like those like warm all year round states are just so lucky, because man, you guys can drive your cars all year round without worrying about like rust or like, you know, that type of damage and stuff like that. Yeah, man, this car is crazy dirty right now. Like, you can see some like stuff all over the hood from like the leaves that's by my house that just drops on my car and stuff. But yeah, man, this thing needs to be ceramic coated, you know, because it'll make cleaning this car a lot easier, especially with a bright color. And we're back to winter wheels, guys. But don't worry, like I said, I have some new wheels for this car and it's gonna look amazing. So trust me, guys, when you see the new wheels next season, oh my goodness, we're gonna go so in, man. You guys just wait. You guys are gonna love the next like little slight update for this car. It's gonna look 10 times better, I'll tell you that. 10 times better, believe me. But in other news, we are here. It's just around the corner, so we're gonna go and get this car detailed. So I don't know if I'm gonna record anything here or not, but I guess I'll see you guys in the next clip. All right, boys, there's the Speed 3. It's gonna be there all day today. I'm gonna actually leave the car with them for the day so that ceramic coating can fully dry and so that, you know, everything will be good. I went to the lab. They're like right here. So if you guys want your car ceramic coated, detailed, and all that stuff, be sure to hit them up. But yeah, we're gonna leave the car right there, and yeah. Alright, guys, it is officially the next day, and right now I'm just waiting for a ride. We're gonna go down and go pick up the Speed 3 to see how the car looks like, all clean, all ceramic coated, and all detailed. So super excited to see how it will turn out. Damn, look at this. Woo! That is clean. Bruh. Oh my god. God damn, guys. This thing looks clean. Like, you guys saw the video. Hold on. All right, guys, look at this, man. Oh my goodness. Like, the car was clean before, but holy hell, is it even more clean now. Like, gosh damn. And now it's ceramic coated, fully polished, detailed. You guys already know. And man, this thing looks good. But like, damn, guys, this car even looks more brand new than it did before. Guys, I can't stop staring at this thing. It looks so good right now. So damn good. I cannot wait until the new wheels are on this car next season. It's gonna look so crazy. All right, man, well, now that we got the car back, it's time to bring it back home because whew, it is chilly. And now that the car is fully ceramic coated, this just adds that extra protective layer on the car, help with like paint fade, make sure it doesn't fade out and become like all mismatched in color and all stuff like that. Also, the most important thing with ceramic coating is that it makes the car overall easier to clean, which with a bright color like this, it definitely will help. Huge shout out to the Lab Etobicoke. These guys really know their stuff. They did an amazing job. If you're looking to get your car detailed, or you're looking for like a ceramic coating type of deal, I suggest you go with them, hit them up. You can hit up the Lab Toronto, the Lab Etobicoke, or the Lab, I think, Mississauga, and there's also Oakville. Any one of them honestly are dope. I went with the one in Etobicoke. So if you guys are looking to get your car, again, if you're looking to get it ceramic coated and treated, hit them up and they'll take good care of you. Anyway, we are gonna go back to the garage. I'll see you guys back out. Guys, as you can tell, it's nighttime right now, so you guys already know what that means. It is car meet time. We're already here. It's the last bit of car meets for the season, so I said, you know what, why not go see what's up. I'm gonna go ahead and bring you guys along, see what cars are there, see what happens if it's wild or if it's tame. We'll see how it goes. But if you guys are cool and down for that, hit that subscribe button, smash that like button, and let's go ahead and get straight into this video. Check that out though, guys. Speed 3 is just here chilling. Damn, you hear that? Like, damn. Let's see what car is pulling up. Hey, what the heck? His truck bed is missing. Hey, that's kind of baller though. Oh, G80. And you guys can already see the meetup going on and just beginning. Starts at 7. It's about like 8ish right now, a little bit over 8. So it's still relatively just starting. But we're gonna go over there, we're gonna walk around, see what we can find so far, and then yeah. Hopefully it doesn't get too crazy. I'm giving a public meet another try. Damn, look at this. This is actually sick. It's Audi. I don't know what model, but Marlboro livery type of thing. That's pretty sick. Look how clean this is. E36. This thing is clean, dude. Holy, body well kept. Look at that. Is that M4? Yes, sir. M4 comp. Gee, okay, there's Roxanne. Look at her car, man. She's doing something new for next year, so can't wait to see it. But the white on white, you gotta love it. Air it out. Can't wait to see what else she does with this thing next year. Damn, look at this Jetta. Or Passat. I don't even know the difference anymore, but it's a VW. Air it out too. Sheesh. And the Veloster as well. And look at that. G80. M3 comp. That color is nice too. It's like a dark blue. Okay, Boost to North 8.6. Is that 8.6 or is it BRZ? Nah, this is the BRZ one. And a Celica. What the heck? Skeleton in there. Elantra and RSX. This boosted EG and Teggy. Whoo. EGs actually look so much cleaner in person, and this body style, damn. That's nice, dude. I wonder how much this thing is making. Bro, the Jenny. Wide-bodied. Look at these wheels, man. So deep dish. We've seen this at that Garage 16 meet before. And the tail lights, dude. The engraving. This is so fire, bro. I'm not a huge fan of like Genesises, but this one's actually cool. I won't lie. Got a carbon hood. Yeah, dude. That looks fire. G Type R's track spec. You can just imagine how these things fly around track. These things are basically built for a track, so I wonder how much power he's pushing too. Dang, got a Golf R over here too. Got a track spec 370 as well. Damn. I respect people that like track their cars, which I still need to track mine. Race car stuff. That's sick though. Big turbo, or well, not big turbo, but you know, I got the turbo sticking out. Hey, that's sick. Like I said, I'm not a huge fan of Jennies, but you know, love to see some turbos. You know, not bad. Hey, look at this egg. Look at this thing. That thing's pretty cool, I guess, but man, it's beaten up. Okay, Subi with this like extended wing. Looks sick. The hatches of these years look way better than the sedan versions. Black with the bronze wheels on there. Good taste, good taste. You guys probably can't see it, but the whole front end of this is carbon. The front bumper, the hood, the fenders. Look at that. All carbon. Got this Lexus with these dope tails. But yeah, that thing is crazy, dude. The white wheels, let's go. Hey, look, it's that girl with the pink Supra. Pretty cool to see an A90. Got a, what is it, WRX or STI? WRX. Still cool though to see. A90 and a Lexus. And then right here you got like a little BRZ. These first gens still look really good though, especially with the updated front bumper. Fire. And they got a little bash bar at the back right there. Overall, like, this Me is actually pretty chill right now. I'm actually surprised for a dang public Me. I haven't been to one of these in a while, but it's actually really chill. Got a what, 3rd gen Prelude here? Sheesh. Oh, what the hell? Unk is showing off. But yeah, 3rd gen Prelude. Or is it 4th gen? Could be wrong, I don't know. Holy, this thing is clean. Look at the wheels too. Sheesh. Damn, that thing is clean. What is that, Turbo S? Oh my god, bro. That looks beautiful, dude. Gee, these things are fast as hell. Turbo S. Look how big those wheels are. Look at this. CRX EG coupe, carbon hood on there. Yo, CRXs are sick, bruh. You do not see these often. Got the bucket seat in there too. Whew. That's so sick, man. EK coupe right here, and then a Teggy. This is a nice little lineup right here, man. Which one of these cars would you guys take? Teggy, the EK, CRX, or the EG coupe? I'm obviously taking CRX all day. That is the nicest, one of the nicest Hondas. Probably the nicest Honda in this group right here for sure. And over here we got ourselves a little lower truck. These like smaller trucks like this, I actually like them, bro. I would own one for sure. So sick. They're like so small, but they're also like low, bro. Damn, man. What is this? A Nardo Gray type of EG? Woo. You can definitely tell this thing's boosted. Look at that. Sheesh. Damn, dude. Look at that front mount. Dude, I want to see this thing rip, bro. Woo. God damn, bro. Well, here we go. A homie of mine, her car wrapped in this nice color. I don't know what it's called. It's like a khaki green or something, but this is sick too. Ole. That K-Series, you guys already know what they do. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. There we go, guys. It's all going to crap now. Bruh, is this guy good? Why do people do this? Once one person revs, everybody just acts crazy. Oh. Alright boys, I'm gonna actually cut. This video is kind of on the short side. Oh, a Corvette, I think, right? Yeah, it's a Corvette. But yeah, just here with the Speed 3, and we're actually gonna head back home because meat's kind of dead, as you can tell, and then some people are again a little bit reckless or whatever. The Speed 3 this year really transformed, bro. It's actually crazy. Love this car. But anyway, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap the video up here because it is freezing now that winter is coming around the corner soon enough, and that fall weather is basically here. So I hope you guys did enjoy tonight's video or today's video or whatever time it is for you of the day. Hope you guys have a good one. Be sure to smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, guys. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace out, stay humble, stay blessed. Peace.